Hello YouTube, Mr. Stoney here. Just wanted to show everyone that patch panel's welded back into the firewall. The distributor is able to turn. So my nephew just left here. He's been here about an hour and a half, I guess. Welding that piece back in for me. Just one more step closer. I had to have that piece in place before I could put the oil sending unit on, put the distributor back in where it needs to go, and get it all in place. And then my dipstick for my transmission would have been in his way. And then the manifold, exhaust manifold, and the battery tray can go in and be making progress. I know I don't think anybody knows me well enough to know that I've had 4 different incidents where I couldn't use my arms at all due to the spinal cord damage or whatever that happened 12 years ago. So I've been having some problems with that, and I'm going into the neurosurgeon tomorrow to see what he has to say. And I don't know what else to say about that, but that's tomorrow. And I appreciate everyone's prayers for me, continued prayers, and hopefully we get back on this truck and see it get started up before the end of the year. Have a good one.